out, quest the earth, find the path, help me make a way. Confined inside this mind of mine, searching for a sweet escape. All my ways is meeting up to me to make a choice. A lot of stuff I wanna say, up to me to find the voice. But of course I open up, as of now you see your boy. Close my eyes and hold it in, making sense out all the noise. What's my choice to throw a fit? Find someone to place the blame. Said that it made a list, wise mind the only name. Saw pain, ran away, crawling on my knees and hands. Saw the reaper catching up, told him catch me if you can. Where's there to run away? That's what I'm debating on. Guess I reach it when I see my final destination home. Many times I said I'm gone, where's there to go from here? See a flow and close my eyes, hoping that it disappear, hoping that it reappears. Staying strong right by my side, everywhere I turn to go, I guess it's kinda nationwide. From dollars to a scholar now, something kinda changing us. Laughing at my younger days, old age chasing us. It ain't really facing us, all we know is getting paid. Well, I'm feeling kinda grown, think it's time to act my age. The transition from a boy to man, used to say I think I can, now I only know I am. The transition from a boy to man, used to say I think I can, now I only know I am. So throw 2 pennies in the well and make a wish. The biggest curse I have is God's greatest gift. We live scared of death, but we die enjoying life. We hold on to what's left when the life's not going right. So what's the price of everything you really love? It's a whole lot cheaper than I bet you ever thought it was. Sometimes I hate my own life like a racist. I hate this lifetime, but I still can't change it. If it was written down in stone, I can't erase it. My life is like the Matrix, getting chased by the agents, breaking down equations to the basics, let's face it. Feeling like Tigger getting kicked out my basement. On to something new, more room, more growth. Start a new plan, have a brand new approach. I hope it's coming through, and my signal's transmitting. I'm going through a change and embrace the transition. From dollars to a scholar now, something keeps changing us. Laughing at our younger days, old age chasing us, but it ain't phasing us. All we know is getting paid. Well, I'm feeling kinda grown, think it's time to act my age. The transition from a boy to man, used to say I think I can, now I only know I am. The transition from a boy to man,